Hey y'all, good morning. It's Sunday and you know what that means? You don't? Darn, I was hoping you did. I don't either. Well, anyway, we got a hot griddle. We might as well make some breakfast. We got pancake batter. My lovely assistant made it. I noticed her throwing a little bit of nutmeg in with whatever it was, the mix. So I got this on medium low, actually low. It's like one notch above low, maybe two. I don't know, I can't see. So I've learned, took me a while, time to flip your pancakes is when the air is bubbling up through. And that's already happening. And this is on low, so we're gonna have to get cracking. We love our Sunday pancakes. She loves it even more than me. Oh, there's one of my doodads. I need a spatula. I like my little short-handled spatula. I've got the big griddle spatulas, but look how easy this one is. And look how perfectly round these things are already. A little bit of black speckling, so that means I didn't clean it good after the last batch. Turn it down to low. I don't know if, I assume it's because of our altitude. It gets hot up here. In fact, it's 90 degrees and it's still morning. In town, down in yonder in town, it's much cooler. Yeah, I should have cleaned it better last go. Let's see. Oh, it's perfect other than the black. I won't tell if you don't. What's that, Baja? Throw the ball. That's not part of Griddle. Baja the Underdog, our official co-host. Uh-oh, that one stuck a little. Not sure what happened there. So you see, that took no time, and I'm on low. And as I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted, with our altitude, it's hot. Things cook fast. That's why I usually cook on low. Okay, we got us a couple of silicone egg rings. What should we use with those? Maybe eggs. I like to use Pam. It's easy. Not for the griddle, but just for the silicone to help keep the eggs from sticking to the silicone. We got some eggs. Grade A brown eggs. I like brown eggs. You know there's supposedly no difference. They just seem more farmy tasting to me. There is definitely a difference between farm fresh eggs. We used to have our own chickens up here. And I miss them. They're funny characters. Anyway, there's a difference between fresh eggs and processed commercial grade eggs, in my opinion. Okay, we got our salt, pepper, garlic. These are cooking quick. She does not like yolky, so I'm popping her yolks, and hers will cook just a little longer than mine. Okay, I'm trying to slide my spatula underneath, and you see I'm getting a little fight here from my egg. There we go. May have been a little too soon. Boop. Make sure we pop her yolk here. Ooh, it's getting hot. And this is on low. So okay, this is not the prettiest eggs, but they're gonna be the cooked eggs. They're the eggs you're getting, by golly. So mine's ready. I don't mind a little yolk, unless I'm biting into a sandwich or something. Making sure her yolk is cooked. Get cooked just a little longer than mine. You see, even on low, this meal didn't take no time at all. Oh, see, just a little bit of yolk in that piece. Cook it just a second longer. Here, Baja, you can have that. If mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. So, there we go. We got yummy, yummy eggs and pancakes. We got some water, and I'll have to clean it better this time. I think it was getting late when I finished the other guy. It's one of those days I'm in a hurry. Oh, just great. Well, it's still hot. The water pulls up the yucky stuff. Clean my scraper. And then use an old t-shirt, paper towels, rags, whatever. And this was a fuzzy towel, so I have to clean the fuzz. But it's much better now. Okay, we're done. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Even though it was just plain old griddle cakes and eggs. Thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for constructive hints and chat. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!